Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having a backup and restore operation fails, followed by the error code 0x80070057. An internal error has occurred, the parameter is incorrect, or the system restore did not complete successfully. Your computer system files and settings were not changed. An unspecified error occurred during system restore. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Make sure export range is set to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and Import, and then navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward process. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for policies. So go ahead and double-click on that. Should be a Microsoft folder under here. Double-click on that. And then finally, there should be a system folder. So go ahead and just left-click on that. If you don't see a system folder under here, you will have to go ahead and create the key. So in order to do that, you just would right-click on the Microsoft folder, select New, and then select Key. Name this key System, S-Y-S-T-E-M. Hit Enter on your keyboard to save that file name. And now, if you do need to pause the video this time and take note of our file path, you can see it at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under to get to this point. And now directing our attention over to the right panel, you want to right click in a blank area, select New, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value Copy File Buffered SYNCHRONOUS capital I-O. So again, it's going to be Copy File Buffered Sync SYNCHRONOUS and then capital I-O. I know it might look like a lowercase L, but it's actually an uppercase I. And then once you're done typing it in exactly how you see it on my screen, close out of here. And if you want to double click on this value, set the value data to 1, so type a numerical value of 1 in here, and then select OK. I will include the D-word value in the description of the video as well if you want to just copy and paste it into that file name. So you just want to make it exactly how it is in my description. I will include it down there. And go ahead and just close out of here and restart your device at this point. There you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do possibly help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.